versus originals. Where you're choosing between the cover version of Kung Fu Fighting by Bus Stop or the original by Carl Douglas, or you can just listen to me hiccup for an hour. The option's yours. He says, just had a text message in saying, hi, the original version for me, please. Dandelion saying, I would like the Bus Stop cover. Sounds fun and it'll beat. And Vicky saying, original, please, as well. We'll try not to focus on the hiccups. I'm saying they're happy. So after all that, it's the original version by Carl Douglas. And after this, Jenny's going to get some sticky buns out. We'll find out what it's about after this. And Sabrina Carpenter tells us she's a busy woman as well. So we nass her.